Hello everyone, in today's tutorial or video I will explain you how does the Lumosity application or website helps students in their studies. First, Lumosity is an application that contains too many games that are going to help you improve your brain cognitive skills like attention or reflex or concentration. Well, just to know, these games are based on science. So, some too many searches or too many scientific studies in searches has been uh, done to provide or to create these games. Also, there is another advantage is that the games are fun for students to play, whether they were post graduate students or undergraduate or whoever was your level. Well, by improving your skills or your cognitive skills, you will improve in your studies because you will be able to resolve more problems. You will be able to concentrate more, and you will be able to analyze some informations and process them easily and fluently because of the game. If you play it like consistently, you will have your cognitive skills that are improved, so you will do good and your studies will be efficient. So this is how this is how Lumosity help uh, your students or help students in general to improve in their studies. Thank you for watching and goodbye.